Hey guys, so today I have got my third Halloween haul of the year to show you. If you've not seen the other two, I'll link them down below so you can watch them if you want to as well. But this one is huge. I would say this is like the most stuff that I've had all at once so far. So I'll try and get through it kind of quick and not bore you with stuff. But this, I would say, is mainly from kind of like cheaper shops, not TK Maxx and stuff. This is more like Poundland, Hobbycraft, and Morrisons and stuff like that, so a bit more of a range than the other times. So I will start off at the back and work forward here. So the first thing that I've got is this pumpkin, and he was from Home Bargains. Pretty sure this was about £5. It's like a big heavy doorstop. It's got like a beanbag kind of feel to it. I just thought he was really cute. No idea where I'm gonna put him, but I don't know. I just thought he was cute for £5. So that is my first little guy. Then next, if you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen this already. This came from Morrisons and it was £10. Now he does light up and dance and sing and stuff. It does actually play the Ghostbusters tune, but because of like copyright and stuff, I'm not sure I'm going to be able to show you that much, but I will show you a few seconds. So this is what he does. And his little face lights up, as you could see, and like he moves and stuff. So he was from Morrisons. They're also selling this in Wilkinson's, and it's got different eyes, like different, more kind of angry looking eyes, I would say. But I'm pretty sure it's dressed the same and it must do the same song and stuff, and it's the same price, but it's just got different eyeballs. So Morrisons or Wilkinson's sell this at the minute. Then next I got a very weird purchase. I saw someone post this on Instagram and I just ended up buying it. These are the Scrub Daddies. So basically these are for washing like dinner plates and stuff. We have a pumpkin, a ghost, and a little Frankenstein one. I got these in a set of 3. I'm pretty sure they were maybe like £10–11, something like that. They weren't super expensive, but these are definitely going to have to go in my house box because I have no use for them here. But yeah, I will put them in my, like, you know, storage kind of thing. Next I got this little ghost from Poundland. Everybody seems to be loving these this year. He was £1. They only had this one when I went in. I did actually want 2, but I couldn't find another one. I've been in, I think, 4 Poundlands now and none of them have them, so a lot of people must be buying these. There is a ghost, a pumpkin, and a black cat version of this. I did actually want to take out this like fake plant in the top and put a real plant in it, but the hole is really, really tiny, so I'm probably just going to leave that fake one in there. But that's my little ghost. Then next I got 2 things from Lush. So I got the Toffee Apple Lip Scrub, and this is like a green and pink coloured scrub. Smells absolutely incredible. It smells like a caramel apple sort of scent. And then I got their Boo Shower Slime. It says, don't let the colour scare you off. This slime is fragranced with the familiar herbaceous scent of Lord of Misrule. So this smells, I don't think it smells herby at all. I think it smells kind of like a mix of lemon and bubblegum. I think it smells really sweet. I can't really show it great on camera because it's so like sloppy, but basically it is exactly how it says. It's a black slime with glitter in it and it smells good, and you just use it in the shower like a shower gel. So that is that. Then next I got some dog toys. I'm pretty sure these were from B&M. They were £2. There is a pumpkin, a spider, a little mummy eyeball, and a Frankenstein up here. I'm not going to squeak them because it'll make my dogs bark, but they do have a squeaker in each one, so for like 50p each, they're pretty good. They'll probably destroy them really fast because my dogs are big and like chew stuff, but I don't know, I just thought I would grab those because they were cute. So that is for my dogs. Then next from Home Bargains I got these really cute wax like melt burners. So I got the pumpkin. I have had this one before, but I got it again. These were, I think, about £1.50. They both come with wax melt on top. This one I've already been using, so it does have some other wax in it, but it is a spiced pumpkin scented melt that they come with. For £1.50, these are incredible. Like, so cute, so well made. They are like a ceramic sort of stuff and crazy cheap, so I got both of those. Then next I got a candle. I think this is the only TK Maxx item that I got in this haul. This one is a pumpkin cheesecake candle. It's got this really cute little fall kind of like berries and leaf and stuff attached on the side. This was $6.99 and it's by the brand DW Home, which a lot of the TK Maxx candles are. It doesn't really massively smell of cheesecake. I would just say it's a pumpkin spice kind of scent really, but I just thought the jar was really cute, so I got that. Then next I got some bottles from Hobbycraft. I'm pretty sure this one was £2, and it's just a black bottle which says Wicked Spirit Danger on it. It's got a little cork in the top. It's just an empty bottle. You could pretty much do anything with it. You could just use it as a decoration, or you could put something in it. Just thought it was cute, so I got one of those. And I also got 2 packs of these mini bottles that they do every year. So again, these were about £2 each. Usually in previous years you got 5 bottles. You got like a tiny little teeny mini one at the end. This year they haven't done that. They've only done 4 bottles, which is fine. I did like the tiny little bottle though, but these are cute. So this one says Trick or Treat. This one says Happy Halloween. Again, Happy Halloween. I would have preferred if this one was just a cobweb instead of saying Happy Halloween, but and this one says Boo. I actually use these for weird things. So for example, I've got some with my cat's fur in. I've got some with my dog's puppy teeth in. I've got, what have I got in? Some more. I can't really think. I've got 5 of them filled anyway, so I just bought some more of these because they're cheap and they're cute, and yeah, I like putting weird little kind of curiosity sort of things in those, so that is them. Then next is the only Disney shop item that I've bought so far that I've got. I do have a pillow, but my friend ordered it for me, so she has that at the minute, and it is this cup. Now, I have an absolute obsession with cups. When I see them, I just buy them. I love cups. This one was £15.95, and it's a Nightmare Before Christmas one. If you look in his eyes, there is a Jack and Sally in the eyes, which is really cool. And then on this side it says Deadly Nightshade. It comes with this little spoon as well. I'm not sure if this is going to come out of here. So like in the movie, it's got little holes in the spoon, which is really cute. It's like made of a pot ceramic kind of stuff as well. Not really sure this is very functional because it does have holes in it, but it's very cute for the decorative sort of thing. So that is that. Then I got some things from Poundland. So this is one of them, and it's apparently glass. It doesn't really sound glass, it sounds a little plastic, but this was only £1.50 and it does light up, which is really pretty. I don't know, just kind of grabbed it because it was cheap, but it does look really nice and it is really big as well. So there is that one. And I also got another one of these. I did get these last year, but this one is a little darker. This is more black. The one last year was a bit clearer. Again, this is £1.50 and lights up. A little skull jar. You can actually take the top with the lights on out of this if you just wanted the glass jar, but yeah, very cute for £1.50. So that is those two. Next, this is an odd item. I was taking my car for an MOT the other day and thought I would clean out the boot, or the trunk if you're from America, in my car, and this is in my car from last Halloween. This was apparently $4.99. It's a wine glass with these oil slick kind of skulls on the stem. I literally don't remember buying this. It was from TK Maxx apparently, and it was still bubble wrapped in my car. So yeah, that is how much Halloween stuff I buy. I literally forget that it even exists. So this is from last year, but new to me this year because I just found it, so there is that. Then again from Poundland, I have some little ducks. Now they did these last year and I kind of preferred last year's ones. Last year there was a skeleton and a vampire, I think, and stuff like that. This year I just got this black one with the red speckles on it. He was £1, and I also got this one from Ireland when I went to Ireland to visit my boyfriend. So this one is an Irish duck and he's a little devil. He's very, very cute. So again, I don't really know why I buy these. The previous two from last year are just sat on a shelf in the bathroom at the minute, but I might pack them all away into storage because they don't really need to be out until I'm in an actual house. So I got those anyway. They were £1. Then next, another Morrisons item. I got these creepy cards, pack of 52. It says a pack of spooky playing cards. Now from this packaging I expected them to be this sort of colour. I also kind of expected them to all be different, maybe with like bigger skulls, little skulls, maybe some spiders, ghosts, something like that. But these do not look anything like the packaging. I'm not necessarily mad about it, but I just think it's a very odd choice of card to put in this package. These were £2, I think. And this is what all of the cards look like. They just have black and white bats on. And then this side is black and white as well. Very, very weird. Let's see what the Jack and the Queen and stuff. Yeah, like they're not spooky on that side, literally just bats on this side. To me, that is, like I said, a very weird package to put those in, but they are still really cute. Don't know why I bought them, just thought for £2 they were really cute. So I don't know, maybe one day I want to play some cards, who knows. So there is those. Then I got this from, where did I buy this from? I think this was from B&M Bargains again. It says Betty Winter's Home Baking Halloween Unicorn Skeleton and Bat Biscuits. So this makes 6 of them, and it's black shortbread mix with white icing and then some sprinkles. Just thought it looked very cute. These are super fattening though. There's 12 grams of fat in each biscuit apparently, which is not great. But yeah, I don't know, just something cute and spooky to do around this kind of time. I know that Aldi is bringing out some pumpkin ones and skeleton ones, I think, in the next week or two, so might grab some pumpkin ones as well. But that is those. I can't actually remember how much they were. I'm pretty sure they were about £1.50 though, so that's them. And then the last things I've got to show you today are mainly bags. Now, cups is one thing that I can't resist, and little shopping bags is another thing that I can't resist. So I've got lots of these. Now this one was from Poundland, so it was £1. It's got a holographic blue on one side, and then it's clear plastic with a design on this side. So this blue one has these cobwebs and spiders on it. Then we have a purple one with Trick or Treat with a moon on it. This one's really, really pretty, so I actually bought 2 of these because if one breaks and then I have another one, I literally just keep these in my car or in the boot of the car so that when I go shopping I can grab one and not have to pay for a carrier bag. Then in Ireland from the Dunn's, I think it's called Dunn's store, I got this one for €1.50. This one is just an orange holographic with a little monster face on it. That one's a little bigger than the other ones. I also got this one from the Dunnes store. This is kind of like a canvasy sort of bag, and it's got a cute little haunted house ghost scene on both sides. This one was again €1.50. I got this one from Poundland, which I absolutely love, and I might go back and buy another one. This one was £1, and it says Creep It Real on it. It's like a canvas, it's huge, but these ghosts are so, so cute. Like, I love the ghost design on this. I wish they had some that didn't say Creep It Real, that was just full of ghosts. I would literally buy so many of them, because this is adorable. But like I said, Poundland just for £1. Oh, and then at the bottom here I've got some decoration stuff. I totally forgot about these. So I got this bunting. It's kind of made of like a felty sort of stuff, I think, with cobwebs on it. Obviously when you hang it up it's gonna look like this. This was from Poundland for £1. It says it's 250 centimeters, so I might put this kind of like across the top of a wall in my room or something. I'm not really sure, but just thought that was cute. I got this lacy tablecloth for £1 from Poundland. It's a bit thin, which obviously for £1 is fine. Don't really know what I'm going to do with it. I kind of just bought it for a fabric, not a tablecloth. Probably will just use this as a Halloween decoration, not year round, but I don't know. Just grabbed one of those because it was cute, so there is that. And then the last things I've got is loads of stickers. So this one was from B&M Bargains. It's kind of hard to show because it doesn't have a backing on it. Let me see if I can hold it up against one of these. There we go. So there is cobwebs, pumpkins, spiders, ghosts, tombstones, all this kind of creepy stuff. They are on this clear stickers, so you could put it on anything. You could put it on bottles, glasses, vases, laptops, windows, pretty much anything you wanted. These were £1 for all of these, and I just thought they were really, really cute. I especially liked this grave and this spider web with the spider, so I got those ones. I then got these ones from Poundland. I mainly bought this for these cobwebs. These are window stickers, so I thought maybe I might put these on the corners of the windows of my car. Not sure how cheesy that will look, but I might try it out. So there is that one from Poundland. Then I got these ones from Hobbycraft. Again, these say window stickers, but I think these ones are sticky. Because on the back it's got them placed on like different surfaces. So these I'm pretty sure were £2. They have kind of like a holographic sort of thing to them. Really loved this little bat one and this Grim Reaper. So that is those. And then the very last sheet is this one. Again, this one was from B&M for £1.50, and this one has kind of like a sparkly glitter border on them. Loved this big haunted house down here. I might stick this on my laptop if it fits. I'm not sure if it's maybe too long, but I just thought it was really cute. If it doesn't fit, then I'll probably end up sticking some of these ghosts and bats on there. I think this is my favourite sheet because I really love this big one down here. And for £1.50, that's super cheap, so that is the last thing that I've got to show you today. There will definitely be a few more Halloween hauls before Halloween. I do have some Build-A-Bears arriving. I know that the Squishmallow teddies are coming to Aldi soon, so I'll definitely be buying loads of those because I loved those last year. I've got some Disney shop stuff coming as well, so definitely be one more normal Halloween haul at least. And I'm also going to do a clothing and makeup kind of Halloween haul as well because I've got some of that. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. Anyway, if you did, please subscribe. If you want to ask any questions about anything, feel free to leave them below and I will try and answer everybody. But yeah, I hope you liked the video and I will see you soon. Bye guys.